초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a day in my life video where I will kind of pamper myself. I'm going out early for lunch and I'm very looking forward to it. After a very long time I'm going out and doing something for myself. I might meet a friend, I might buy some things, I don't know. You have to come along with me to see Azamo Kiki Gorsu. So I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing. Normally my shirt also because this is the comfiest one. As of today it's kind of, I think, gloomy. It hasn't rained, so Hi guys, so it's currently almost 6:30 almost, and it's raining outside, so I can't really leave. So I thought, why not show you guys what I got as I went to few places, including Kumari Party I went, and especially Bhat Batini I went, and I got few stuffs from there. I also went to Miniso, People's Plaza in such a Civil Mall. I went to Pretty Click and I bought few items from each places. So I thought, why not show you guys? I just thought of showing you guys. I mean, I don't know why Bhat Batini started. Like before, they had pretty big, shopping bag that they gave us, and not for free, of course. They charge at 35 rupees, but now it's so mini. Like and I'm like, what is this kind of behavior? Like without the literally they will give one day 80 sanos, I feel like, because literally 80 sano wala yo bhada pani auto thing again. What if we buy like to rice cooker and all? Now they should like kind of keep the size to how it was, So first thing first, I got water bottle. Maसँग धेरै water bottles, but one more the collection, I guess. I don't know, I really love this color. And अर्को चाहिँ the one that I got पहिला त्यसको चाहिँ यो एकदम सानो थियो के, यसो खाँदाखेरि अलिक गाह्रो हुन्थ्यो. यसको चाहिँ ठुलो खालको छ हैन. अनि this is just for the gym. I think I have enough bottle, but one more wouldn't hurt भनेर I got it. अनि okay, it's coming out guys. Such a pretty color. First thing first, So first thing I got this one. So यो एकदम मेरो favorite color मा छ, which is mint. Now they had अर्को whitish color off white मा, अनि त्यसपछि they also had dark वाला के अर्कै वाला blue मा. That was nice too, but I am a mint lover, so I got mint. यहाँ चाहिँ धेरै section रहेछ to put pen, pencil, whatever. यो चाहिँ office को लागि मैले ल्याएको. I just thought कि हुन्छ नि के चाहियो भने at one go I can have everything that I want. So I got this. Next, very cute, I got एउटा मात्रै यो स्पुन. यो चाहिँ सुपहरू खानलाई. यसको टेक्सचर एकदम राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई. देखिरहेछ कि छैन यसको टेक्सचर, but anyways it's really pretty, so I got one of these. And त्यसपछि I got this basket. It's so pretty. यसको color, it's so pretty. It's like pastel purple, and then this print is going on everywhere. It's kind of big, but I just thought कि हुन्छ नि त्यो सामानहरू which you don't want to like throw, but you want it in your life, but it's kind of messy. It looks kind of messy. So this is सामानहरू चाहिँ यहाँ हाल्छु भनेर I got my clear bag because my documents are literally everywhere, so I need to sort that out. So एउटा kind of नचाहिने but again kind of cute stuff that I got is this glove. यसको भित्र चाहिँ कस्तो छ I'm going to show you. So यो very randomly I saw, so it's not only a glove, First मा चाहिँ of course it's like a pretty वाला glove, And त्यसपछि चाहिँ यहाँ you can also keep money. It's like a piggy bag kind of glove. Of course I do not need a glove piggy bag, but it was just so cute, and I was like, I need this in my life. So I felt. So this is the last item from my Bhat Batini shopping. So this is the box, So why I bought this, if you ask me, I don't know. No, I know guys, I know why I bought this. So yo चाहिँ किन I bought this भनेको, normally my desk is very messy and I want like an organization kind of place. I have like paint brush अनि Tipex भन्नुलाई मैले Tipex या Tipex colors हरू. So they have very different sections right here. अनि ठुलो पनि छ हैन, अनि यहाँ बिचमा चाहिँ खाली छ के यस्तो. So I can put like any random stuffs or my sticky notepad, anything I can keep it right. Going to our pretty click, म यता 7 mall को गएको थिएँ. 7 mall मा मात्रै सस्तो लाग्यो. I got 2 stuff from there. One I got यो Australian Gold को, I got what is it called? Sunscreen, yes, SPF 50 को sunscreen I got because sunscreen is a must and म sunscreen लाउँदैन because I don't have it. So कैसा मेरो हैन, अनि so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get one. So I just got you. Neutrogena को पनि थियो, तर Neutrogena को चाहिँ मैले अस्ति भर्खर एउटा like bad review देखेको थिएँ हैन. Actually Neutrogena नै use गर्थेँ म त, Neutrogena नै use गर्थेँ म, but I had seen like a bad review, so I got नयाँ try गरौँ भनेर pressed powder पनि सकाएको थियो. So LA Colors को mineral मा I got this one, मेरो shade kind of me. To हाम्रो Miniso haul, of course Miniso बाट यस्तो चाहिने भन्दा पनि हैन, नचाहिने अनि cute stuff हरू आउँछ मलाई चाहिँ. So first thing first, सानो कुराबाट म स्टार्ट गर्छु. कता गयो दुईटा कुरा मात्रै किनेको थिएँ मैले यहाँ त. The first thing is I saw this, I don't know, charcoal भन्ने बित्तिकै नि मलाई I guess this feeling that it's gonna make my skin like हुन्छ नि exfoliate my skin यस्तो वाला feeling आउँछ. And I got this charcoal facial cleanser. So यो चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ I do feel that my skin is, you know, एकदमै त्यो kind of. Then तर म चाहिँ अब यो चाहिँ I got it हैन, made in Japan लेखेको छ. तर makeup itemहरू चाहिँ I wouldn't suggest because अस्ति I bought a lipstick from lipstick from Miniso. And it was such a crap. I think I paid around 500 rupees and it was like shit. Like literally I used it and this was in peel off the four like just like, you know, if there's some kind of dirt in your like hand, if you wash it and peel lips. I was like, oh but I got this and hopefully this is nice. Very cute but very not needed. I got this little baby. This is so cute. I wanted something smiling at me, like something that I can keep beside my bed table, like beside me in the bed, and it can be so soft, so fluffy, so cute. I love soft toys. I love soft toys like Istuwala because I don't know, it's just so nice to touch them, to see them, and it's the smile wala. Like I was very confused between a cat and this doggo, but since doggo is my favorite, so I opted this, you know. And it's so cute. Sakura lekha chashma, so damn soft. So nice. That's it guys for the mini haul. Itine maile gari, maile khai bairo, and then I had planned to meet my friend, but again I was like late and pani born like that, so I did not, and it was very much fun. As the day comes to an end, अब pani रोकी पछि म घर जान्छु and I'll eat something, I guess. It's so difficult to eat. I'm gonna show you guys bhuli as the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.